What up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you the calculator that I just emulated. It's a Casio that you can also use. It's more of like a real scientific calculator that you used to use back in high school, or even some people can use in corporate works like accounting and like just daily calculations. Maybe you're at store, but you don't have a physical calculator. You can actually use this one. So let me show you how to run it. You just open it and yeah, actually that's it, guys. You just open it. I already created a simulation of it. I just open this exe file, and then yeah, you can do like similar things that you used to use on the physical one. Then if you're done, you can actually close it. If you're looking for this calculator, you'll find the link down in the description box. Yeah, that's it, guys. See you on the other side.